G'day legends, Trev here again, and one of my subscribers the other day put in a request for a Philly cheesesteak singer, so that's what we're going to be doing today. Rightio gang, stage one of the mighty Philly cheese singer is I've got the Barbie hot. I'll just whack a bit of oil on there, like so. What we're going to do is we're going to brown off some onions, like so, and some capsicum. Alrighty. So while they're softening up and getting brown and delicious, we'll go and cut up the meat. Rightio gang, I've got a nice big juicy rump steak. Look at that bad boy. And what I've done is I've stuck it in the freezer for an hour, so it's sort of half frozen, so we can cut nice thin pieces, and it's really easy because it's nice and firm. Alright, let's get stuck in. What I'm doing for starters, I'm taking this fat off. Don't need that. What we'll do, because I want not too long the strips, I'll cut him right down the centre, like so, and then I'll start cutting thin strips. Get the fat there, just get rid of that. Now the thinner the strips, the easier it's going to be able to chew on. If you want to be fancy, you can get a rib fillet, but I reckon the rump steak's good if you cut it nice and thin. Alright, beauty. Meat's cut up. Now, next thing, we'll take you back over to the barbecue and we'll get the mushies cooking with the onions and the capsicums. Rightio. Onions and capsicums smelling pretty darn delicious, if I do say so myself. Yeah, they've softened up a bit, it's been a few minutes. So now on with the mushies. These mushies, looks like a lot, but it's only 3 large mushies. And I don't show it on film, but I do go and wash my hands every couple of minutes. Alright, so put on the mushies, mix them in, and now a little bit of salt, a little bit of Elisa's famous garlic pepper, and a little splash of Worcestershire sauce. Oh yeah, this is going to be flavor country. Oh man, I wish you could smell this. I'll give that one more minute just to soften those mushies, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Rightio gang, they look nice and cooked. What we're going to do is we're just going to chuck them in this pot and keep them warm. Stick that to the side. Now, the next thing is we need to toast our baguette. So I've got this big baguette here. I've already buttered it, so we're just whacking straight on, like so. And alright, we'll put the baguette on. We're just going to let it sit there and cook for a couple of minutes, and then we'll start cooking the meat. Rightio gang, I've just moved the baguette over onto the grill side, and let's get the meat going. So, a bit more oil, just to not stop it from sticking. And on with the lovely rump steak. Oh, we're going to be eating good today. Yee-hee. So on the steak, we'll chuck a bit of salt, a bit more garlic pepper, and a spoon of minced garlic. Just like that. She's nearly ready, the baguette. Turn this heat up a bit. Oh man, that smells good. Woo-wee. Oh yeah, I'm so hungry right now. Alright, get back in a sec when this meat's cooked. Alright gang, it's been about 5 minutes. The meat's cooked. What we're going to do now is we're going to line it up and we're going to chuck some Philly cheese straight on top of it. So basically line it up about the same length as the baguette, like so. Don't worry, I washed my hands. Alrighty. So on with the Philly cheese. Like so. Now what we do is we just close this up and give it a couple of minutes for that cheese to melt. Rightio, while that cheese is melting, what we're going to do is chuck on a bit of mayo onto this baguette, like so. You might think I'm crazy, but this is totally delicious. Oh yeah, this is going to be flavour country. Rightio gang, this cheese is melted as much as it's going to melt. So, we get the baguette, pop him back here on the grill, like so. And then we scoop the meat onto the sandwich, like so. Oh yeah. I don't think we need this on anymore. Get the meat on. Oh man. Rightio. We'll take it back over to the table and finish building it. Rightio gang, let's finish building this sandwich. So, we've got the Philly steak on. We've got the cheese. Yeah, the mushrooms. And capsicum, or as you Americans call it, peppers. On top like so. Now, whatever sauce you put on top, that's up to you. Oh yeah. I'm going to chuck on a bit of barbecue sauce, like so. Oh yeah. Look at that. And now we close him up. And look at that. Oh, bits coming out. Did you get the idea? Check that out. That's Trev's version of a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. Hey? Alright. Alright, let's chop him up and have a taste. Would you look at that, eh? That's the final product. Alright, let's chop him up and see how we go. Okay, as requested by Jeffo, let's try a Philly cheese toasted sanger. That is delicious. I can taste the mushrooms, I can taste the cheese, the onion, the garlic on the rump steak, the meat, the crusty roll, baguette. Oh man. And because I cut the steak thin, it's really easy to chew it up and you get lots of flavour in it. Man, I totally recommend that to you guys. That's awesome. Like I say, chuck on whatever sauce you want, or no sauce at all, and just enjoy the garlic and the cheese taste. Alright guys, that's another one of Trev's Life's cooking videos for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope to see you on the next one. We'll see you later. You guys still here? See you later.